With Neville Powell, our first interview with our new manager. Nev, how does it feel to be in your new home?
Yes, really good. You know, I come in a week. I've only been in a few days, but it was our first game today. I'm just getting to know a lot about the club, about the younger players and the players we've got here. And it was our first friendly. It was a good competitive game, to be fair, and a lot of positives come out of it. I know we lost 4-3, but the result doesn't really matter. It's just about having a look at what the players are here and the players that we need.
In terms of going forward now, because it's obviously it's your first look at the team, how would you see where we're going to go forward as a club?
Well, obviously we need to get 3 or 4 experienced Welsh Premier players in. That's the first thing for sure. You look at the squad we've got there now. Have we got 3 or 4 leaders on the pitch? Probably not. And there's a lot of youth around the place, and you've got if you're going to compete and try and get in that top 6. You need a bit of experience in there, a few winners, and as you say, I'm sure we'll do that. There is enough quality here now as well to add to what we hope to bring in, and hopefully we can be pushing for that top 6.
You've been incredibly successful at every club you've been to. How do you think that Aber are going to replicate that success? What do the players need to do to maintain that?
First and foremost, it's a big club. They got a good fan base. They've got a good board of directors. They've got good supporters. It was a bit like when I first went to Bangor City, and the infrastructure's here. You just need to have a successful team on the pitch to replicate that, and I'm looking forward to a challenge. It is a challenge. As you say, they've been starved of success for a few years. They need something to cheer them on, and the fans do, and I'm sure we'll get a team of experienced players to be able to do that. Logistically, it's always been a tough place to get to, Aberystwyth, but as you say, I'm here. I travel, and because I want to be here, because it is a big club. It's a bit of a sleeping giant, and it's an exciting opportunity for me to do that. And but as you say, we do need experienced in there. You can't win anything with too many youngsters around the team. And when I was at Bangor, the development side won the league for 2 years on the run, and a lot of that was because they had a lot of the youngsters in and around training with the first team, because we never had a big first team squad. But if we can do that here, it takes time, doesn't it? We can't. We finished 3rd bottom here last season, so we've got to improve on that. And I believe if we get the right calibre of experienced lads through the spine of the team that we need, there's no reason why we can't be pushing for the top 6 spot.